I think some of the main points to the attendees this week was to be able to get themselves structured so that they have good communication within their responses. One of the other aspects that we were talking about was to develop control points, having tactical objectives already prescribed onto those river systems that they will be dealing with in the event that something happens, and how they can effectively be utilized in the field. So when we did that in the classroom, we talked about it. When we come back out here, we talked about it. We demoed it onto the boards, and then they went out and did the installs.
On Tuesday, we spent the morning in the classroom hearing from Trevor about different techniques on booming, kind of theory behind it, learning angles and different configurations. Then Tuesday afternoon, we went over to ELASTEC shop and did some boom repair, some boat safety, those sorts of things. Got to see the fab shop, which was really cool. And yesterday on the river, we spent pretty much the whole day doing different booming configurations in a rotation. And then today, Trevor came out and gave us different real-life scenarios that could happen here at this site. And we set up 2 different total strategies to deflect and collect.
These guys took over 500 feet of river that's moving at about 2 miles an hour, bringing it into a slack water in order to utilize a good skimming system. So to be able to take that much water with 2 boom vanes and 1,000 lineal feet of boom and have it come in with no turbulence, it was fantastic for them.